What's going on, everybody? Tonight we're going to do Ghost Spirit from Raccoon Fireworks, 500 gram cake. Their performance on the side is teal with pink, silver, neon green, yellow, sea blue, ghost mines, to neon blue, green, pink, and silver chrysanthemums. It's a 500 gram cake, 32 shots. Let's go out here and see if we can find any ghost spirits, and if you see any, leave me a comment below. Here we go with Ghost Spirit. Are you ready? Go. Beautiful. Very beautiful cake. If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe.